Hey guys, so today I'm going to decor student files like this one. This is how I'm going to decorate. The theme is bunny, and for that I have also taken the printout of student names and school name tag. Here are some files of the students, and these some files are made by me, like this one. This is a cardboard file, and I will cover these ones also, and I have also covered these ones. These are ready-made files with punch hole in them, and these files could also be covered like this, and these normal files which are made by me could also be covered like this. So let's start. The things that we need to cover our files are, we need some glue and a tape and these glaze sheets which I am using in red color, and these transparent sheets which we will use to cover it after we have done with the decor of the file. And here, because my theme was bunny theme, so I made these kind of cutouts of paper, and I pasted some glitter sheets, round glitter sheets for eyes, and I made the face of the bunny like this. And the ears are I have made with separate pink and white sheet. So I have made this bunny because my theme was bunny. So for the student name tag, I have taken this layout, this border layout of carrots, because bunnies like carrots, and then I have edited the school name and student name and year session inside this border, and I have made it like this. So these are all student name tags which we will paste on the top. So let's start. To record this file, first of all what we have to do, we have to take the glaze sheet, put it in the center, put the file in the center of the glaze sheet like this. You have to just place it in the mid. You have to be sure that all the four sides are equally left. So we are going to fold it like this from both the sides. You can keep something on it for the weight, and then we are going to put tapes. So for single file we would need 16 pieces of tape. So I am going to cut out the pieces of tape. Going to decode these files also. These are the files which are made from scratch. As this file was already there, the file was there. This is hard file, folder file, and I have just covered it. But for these files I have taken a chart paper, and then I have folded into two and made two files out of one chart paper. So you can make two files easily out of one chart paper if you want to make these files right from the scratch. So after I have cut out the shape of the file out of the chart paper, we have something like this. So after that the process is same as we covered that folder file. I have also made in such kind of style, like you can see that I have folded the cardboard sheet like this from the center, and then I have made a file. This is also out of cardboard. This is not a folder file. I made this from cardboard sheet. So I have put it in such a way that it has some gaps, so we can put many papers inside it. So you can make many types of files using cardboard, and you can place the papers inside it. And you can also make these simple ones which I have just shown you. This is already a file, folder file. You can cover that as well. This is how I covered and decorated these files of my students. So these are yearly files of the students. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more such videos for you. And stay tuned with me, and till then, take care. Bye bye.